Assalamu alaikum dear children. I am back with another lesson of comparing numbers. From past 3 days we were comparing numbers but we were not using any symbol. अभी तक हम numbers को compare कर रहे थे, हम देख रहे थे which one is the greatest, which one is the smallest, but we were not using any symbol. हमने कोई symbol अभी तक use नहीं किया था. Today what we are going to do, we are going to learn the meanings of these symbols and how to use these symbols. Inshallah इस lesson के end तक we will be able to use these symbols and know the meanings of these symbols. Let's start the lesson with a story first. And do you know, the story is about an alligator. Alligator is like a crocodile, right? Let's meet Ali the alligator. You can see his sharp teeth, wide open mouth, long tail, right? He is a smart crocodile and always hungry. He likes to chomp the numbers down. उसे numbers खाना बहुत पसंद है. But as he is always hungry and smart, so he likes to chomp the greatest number. क्योंकि ऐसे जैसे कि अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि ये एक स्मार्ट क्रोकोडाइल है और हमेशा हंग्री होता है, ऐसे हमेशा भूख लग रही होती है, तो उसकी कोशिश होती है कि हमेशा वो बिगर नंबर खाए. ही ऑलवेज चॉम्प्स द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. जब भी उसे कहीं भी 2 नंबर्स दिखते हैं वो उन्हें कंपेयर करता है और उसके बाद जो ग्रेटेस्ट होता है उसे खा लेता है. Let's see. His mouth is wide open and his mouth is open towards the greatest number 9 and 5. He has opened his mouth towards 9 and he turns his back to smaller numbers. और जैसे ही sees smaller number, he turns his back to smaller numbers. और जैसे ही उसे कोई छोटा नंबर दिखता है वो उसकी तरफ अपनी बैक कर लेता है. He turns his back to smaller numbers. You can see his back to smaller number and his mouth wide open towards the bigger number. Let's see more examples. Cute tiny frogs. But when Ali will come here, what he will do? Yes, he would like to eat the greater number of frogs. Which side would you think he would open his mouth? आपको क्या लग रहा है कि वो किस तरफ अपना माउथ ओपन करेगा? Here are 4 frogs and here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frogs. Which side will he open his mouth? Right. He will open his mouth toward greater number of frog. The number of frog is 6 here. That is why Ali opened his mouth towards the greater number of frogs. Right. His mouth is open like this, as you can see. There are 6 frogs and there are 4. He turned his back towards the less number of frogs. उसने अपनी back दिखाई जहाँ पर कम frogs थे. Now let's see another example. Fish. There are fish here. There are 3 fish. 1, 2, 3. and there are, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish. Which side do you think Ali will open his mouth and which side will he turn his back? कहाँ वो अपनी बैक टर्न करेगा और कहाँ वो अपना माउथ ओपन करेगा? You have to tell me. Right. Ali will open his mouth towards 5 fish and he will turn his back towards 3 fish. You can see he has turned his back towards 3 and open his mouth toward 5. Let's see another example. Duck, yellow ducklings. Cute little ducklings they are. Let's see what would Ali do now. अब Ali क्या करेगा? Because if we count, here are 3 ducklings, 1, 2, 3, and 3 ducklings here. Both sides have 3 ducklings. Now what will Ali do? अब Ali को क्या करना पड़ेगा? Ali is confused now. Ali तो अब confused हो गया है. He will keep looking here and there. अब उसे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. He has not opened his mouth. उसने अब अपना mouth open नहीं किया है. He has not opened his mouth. He is confused now and he is keep looking here and there. So as both sides have equal number of ducklings, क्योंकि दोनों साइड पर equal number of ducklings हैं, तो Ali is confused. Ali confused हो गया है. अब उसे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि वो किस साइड खाए. So कभी वो इधर देखेगा और कभी वो इधर देखेगा, but he will not eat any of them. I hope you like the story. Now let's learn the symbols. The position where Ali opens his mouth and the symbol is like this. The symbol is called is greater than, and this symbol that is shaped like an L, बिल्कुल L की तरह से होता है. This symbol is called is less than, and when the numbers are equal, Ali is confused, so the symbol we used is called is equal to. The symbol, first symbol is called is greater than. As you can see, the symbol, the second symbol is shaped like an L. It is called is less than, and the third symbol with both straight lines is equal to. I would like you to learn these 3 symbols and practice it. Now let's see what we have. We have numbers here. First we have 2 and 8. You have to tell me which side would Ali open his mouth. Right, Ali would open his mouth towards 8. And this symbol is shaped like an L, so we can say 2 is less than 8. We can say 2 is less than 8. You can see this symbol is shaped like L. ये symbol बिल्कुल L की तरह से है ना, इसकी shape L की जैसी है, kind of L. So we can say 2 is less than 8. Now let's see in the example we have 7 and 5 here. Which side will Ali open his mouth? Towards 7. So Ali opened his mouth towards 7 and the symbol is called is greater than. 7 is greater than 5. What will you say? 7 is greater than 5. Here Ali has turned his back towards 2, so it is called 2 is less than 8. And towards 7 Ali has opened his mouth, so it is 7 is greater than 5. ऊपर क्योंकि एली ने 2 की तरफ अपनी बैक की है और ये सिंबल बिल्कुल एल की शेप का है, तो हम कहेंगे 2 इज़ लेस देन 8. और यहाँ सेकंड पर जब एली ने अपना माउथ 7 की तरफ ओपन किया है तो हम कहेंगे कि 7 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 5. Now we have some more numbers here. 6, 6 and 9. अब किस तरफ एली अपना माउथ ओपन करेगा? टूवर्ड्स 9, 9 की तरफ. गुड. एंड एली हैज़ ओपनड हिज माउथ टूवर्ड 9 और ही हैज़ टर्न्ड हिज बैक टूवर्ड्स 6. जब उसने बैक अपनी 6 की तरफ की है तो अब हम क्या कहेंगे कि 6 इज़ लेस देन 9. 6 इज़ लेस देन 9. Now 4 and 4. Ellie is confused now. अब एली confused है, दोनों साइड पर 4 हैं, तो he will not open his mouth. He would stand straight and keep thinking about which number to eat. But both numbers are equal, so he will not open his mouth. क्योंकि both numbers equal हैं तो उसने अपना माउथ ओपन नहीं किया और he will keep thinking. वो सोचता रहेगा कि अब उसे क्या खाना है. I hope you guys are getting it and are clear now. When Ellie turns his back towards a number, that number is smaller. हम उसे कहते हैं 6 is less than 9. और यहाँ जब उसके पास दोनों नंबर्स बराबर थे तो 4 is equal to 4. More examples. 4 और 9. Now we will be using the symbols. अभी तक हम alligator mouth यूज़ कर रहे थे, अब हम symbols को यूज़ करते हैं. 4 and 9. 4 is less than 9 और greater than 9. 4 छोटा है या बड़ा? 4 less है, तो यहाँ एली अपनी बैक टर्न करेगा, राइट? इसी तरह से 8 बड़ा है और 2 छोटा है, तो एली 8 की तरफ अपना माउथ ओपन करेगा और 2 की तरफ अपनी बैक. यहाँ जब उसने अपनी बैक शो की है 4 इज़ लेस देन 9. हम क्या कहेंगे? 4 इज़ लेस देन 9. एंड यहाँ जब उसने अपना माउथ ओपन किया है तो 8 इज़ greater than 2. Now we have some more numbers. 7 and 1. Which number is greater? 7 is greater. Now towards 1 Ellie will turn his back and towards 7 he will open his mouth. In the same way we have 8 and 8 here. Now Ellie will be confused. He will not open his mouth. He will stand straight, keep thinking. वो वहीं खड़ा खड़ा सोचता रहेगा और वो अपना माउथ ओपन नहीं करेगा. और उस सिंबल को हम क्या कहेंगे? Is equal to. और the symbol where he has opened his mouth, 7 is greater than 1. Now let's move to your home task. You have to copy the given worksheet and complete it and click the picture, send it to your teacher. I hope you will retell the story of alligator to your parents and you will keep practicing it with different objects. In the end, listen a song and learn it. Learn the symbols. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.
There was an alligator living in the swamp. Would sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever two numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are two numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.